Hi guys, it's our second day duty. Naglalabasan ng aking mga pimple dahil sa kulang sa tulog at hindi na ako nakapag-skincare. But anyway, it's our second day of duty and nag-interview kami ng mga patients. Whoa. I'm so excited and nervous kasi I feel like I'm gonna ask the wrong questions. But hopefully, I will go through it. And yeah, I'll see you when I get there. I'll update you guys later. Bye! Hi guys, ako pa lang nandito. Umuulan daw kasi sa Madlang Antipolo kaya hindi pa makaalis yung iba kong kasama. It's day 3, final day of our duty. Ang gagawin daw namin yan is socialization. Kahapon nag-interview lang kami ng mga patients. It's exactly 5:59 PM. May pasok pa ako sa work. Thankful na natapos itong duty.